Let's look at properties of fabric. When we look at some basic properties of fabric, there are certain features which we have to consider, such as weight. W-E-I-G-H-T refers to the thickness, the weight, how light or heavy is it. A top weight or lightweight, for example, is suitable for blouses, whereas a bottom weight would be used for pants or coats or dresses and so on. The next is drape, which means how does it drape? How does it hang? How does it move? Is it fluid or is it stiff? Does it have liquid-like properties? Silk, chiffon, rayon, satin fabrics are some of the best fabrics that drape really nicely. Next is durability. In simple terms, it just means, will it last a long time? How long will this garment last before it's worn out and must be thrown away? Next, we have softness. Fabric softness has different meanings, but it refers to the comfort performance and smoothness. Cotton would be a perfect example of that. Next is construction or structure. Can be as simple as, is it knit or is it woven? But it also refers to the density of the yarns in the warp and the weft direction. The tighter the weave, the more yarns you will use and the more expensive the fabric. And lastly, breathability is the ability of the fabric to permit water vapor to pass through and allow air to circulate through the weave of the fabric. Does it breathe? So these are some of the properties of fabric.